Up first this evening, the police are planning to get tough on persons who urinate in public spaces.
This after complaints that the entrance to a school in the corporate area has been transformed into a makeshift toilet.
The discovery was made during a major cleanup operation by the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch and other stakeholders in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew today.
TVJ's Kalisha Williams was there and filed this report.
A police operation like no other. Members of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force ridding the capital of human waste. Just meters away from the busy shopping district in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, a foul smell rises from an area people have been using to defecate. It is the only entrance to this school, the Halfway Tree Skills Training Center for at-risk youth.
We are affected right now by the poor hygiene of the people in Halfway Tree, because sometimes they say it's people traveling. But I've been here for the 17 years and I see them and I know them. When you talk to them, they want to fight you, they curse you, all of that. So sometimes you ease them off. When you point them to the public toilet, they say the people down there charge them money for it and they're not going down there.
Remember, human waste carries pathogens, organisms that can cause disease. And in that case, flies and other things can transfer these germs to food and so it's really hazardous.
Which is why firefighters were out on Friday, washing the school's walls, which have been stained by urine, despite this sign.
Night and day, they use the place as a public toilet. We have changed 3 gates, and the P has rotten all 3 of them. I'm now looking sponsors to put up another gate there. We used to have free access here, but since the bank has leased that property, which is part of here, then we don't have any access anymore.
According to Mr. Campbell, several reports have been made.
Yes, in every one of my Monday report, that is on it. And nothing has been done so far. We used to get more support when another superintendent was on at the Halfway Tree Police. We used to have police come here visiting, but she has been transferred on to Crossroad. I don't get that attention and more from them. But the place need attention.
But if head of the JCF Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, has his way, all that will change.
Anyone that is seen as at now urinating in the public space will be arrested and will be taken to the court forthwith. There are bathrooms in the park for persons to utilize.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.